Welcome to Cooking Knowledge for College. I'm currently in my senior year of high school and getting ready to head off to college. So my mother and I thought it would be a good idea to document her teaching me how to cook simple recipes. My mother is a former professional chef with years of experience working in some of the biggest cities in the US, like New York City and Chicago. Using a handful of basic ingredients, we came up with many ideas so we can make countless easy recipes. Using these versatile and inexpensive ingredients, we came up with tons of different recipes so I will not have to rely on expensive takeout and meal kits. I am learning what basic kitchen utensils to use along with how to work kitchen appliances safely. On this channel, we will not just be doing cooking videos, we will also be covering many different aspects of kitchen safety, maintaining a clean kitchen, and identifying all the utensils and appliances. Through filming these videos, I am learning small facts about the science of taste as well as learning how to make food taste better with the right ingredients. We hope you like our content, and if you do, please consider subscribing. It would mean a lot because we want to reach as many people as we can. Thank you, and we hope to see you again soon.